Introducing
Blue Lagoon build. Sounds so corny.
We're Kyle and Cara, and we've been designing and renovating for quite some time now. We did meet when we were very young. I just knew she was the one and I asked her to marry me.
I said yes, obviously.
Well, there's been a lot of fun times. There's been a lot of renovations and there's been some babies along the way. A few years ago, we bought this really cute little shack in the best location.
But at the time we didn't have kids and we weren't exactly sure what we wanted to build or what we needed in a family home.
All the trades are lined up, everything's ready to go, the wheels are in motion, and we're about to start building our dream home.